So you've been seeing this whole hashtag nostab thing and wondering what it means in the world of FPV? Well, hang tight and let me help you better understand it. Okay, I'm not going to bury this one because it's super simple. Nostab simply means no stabilization, zero, just raw video as the quad flies. But getting footage that is watchable without using gyroflow, hypersmooth, rocksteady, well, you get the picture. It's much easier said than done. It's something that requires everything to be tuned right. And I'm not just talking about your quad. I'm talking about your fingers just as much, because every bobble your quad makes, or you make, will show up in the footage. So you need to not only tune your quad to fly smoothly at all times, you also need to be in tune with the quad enough so that you can predict and follow through well enough to not be rocking constantly or making tons of micro adjustments. Now, there's a growing movement that believes that this no-stab method of filming freestyle is the most pure way to show off a freestyle rip. And I totally get where they're coming from, but I also believe that it's just another form. And in the world of freestyle, you're free to do as you please, in my opinion. But I will say that I'm finding this super fun because it adds a different feel to the footage and it certainly has the more raw look to it. Not only that, you get a bigger FOV because you're not cropping in to smooth things out, and you can save time in your workflow but without having to work with stabilization and focus your efforts on color grading and style. It also makes using your FPV link your action camera, whether that's the DJI-03, Walk Snell Moonlight, or even HD0. And no, I haven't forgotten about you analog guys. Y'all can join in too. And if you do, make sure you use my guide on editing analog footy. I'll link that up there. Maybe, if I didn't, remind me. I'll get you to that video. So, at this point, you now know what the whole deal behind the hashtag nostab movement is. But what do you think? Is it that big of a deal? Do you even like it? Have you even tried it? Now sound off in the comment section and be heard, and as always,
cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living